Hello friends, what if I tell you that I can find the square of any number within seconds and without a calculator? Let's see. Here I have taken a 5-digit number and I'm going to find the square of it. So let's begin. I've taken 94123, which is a 5-digit number, and I'm going to find the square. So 9 will give me 81. 94 will give me 72. 941 will give me 34. 9412 will give me 44. 94123 will give me 71. 4123 will give me 28. 123 will give me 10. 23 will give me 12, and lastly 3 will give me 9. And when I sum it up, the answer will be 885913929. This will be the answer, the square of 94123. You can always verify. Wow! Isn't it amazing? Would you like to learn the trick? So then be ready with a pen and a paper, and I'm going to show you the technique behind the squaring of this number, which is also called duplex combination. Here, as I have taken this 5-digit number, I'm going to represent any 5-digit number with the letters A, B, C, D, E. So here I take A, B, C, D and E. If I have to find the square of this number, here in my example, A is 9, B is 4, as you can see, C is 1, D is 2 and E is 3. So the formula is, the technique is, first we take the first digit A. So this A is 81 is nothing but A, and we take the square of it. The second part we get by finding the next, we take the first 2 digits now, A and B together, and we find out the duplex of A and B. What is duplex? Twice of the first 2 digits, that is 9 and 4. So the 72 I have got by taking A and B together. And here the 72, what I have done, I have taken twice of A and B. This gives me the second part of my answer. Now for the third part, I take the first 3 digits, that is A, B, C. Now for finding the duplex of A, B, C, I have to take A and C together, the twice of A and C, and the square of B, the center digit, the square is taken. So 34 is nothing but A, B and C. And how I have found out? By taking this twice A into C plus B square. This is the third part of my answer. This will fetch me. Then this next I'll take the next first 4 digits, that is 9412, A, B, C, D. So this 44 is A, B, C, D. Now this how I have got. Here again I have taken twice of the outside number and twice of the inside number. That is twice of A into D plus twice of B into C. This will give me the fourth part of the answer. Then the next I will take all the 5 digits together, A, B, C, D, E. So this 71 is A, B, C, D, E all taken together. What we have to do? Again the duplex. And how do I find out the duplex? The outside numbers, I have to find the twice of it, like A into E. The combination will be A into E plus B into C plus the square of the center number C. So this is twice of A into E plus twice of B into D plus C square. This gives me the fifth part of my answer. Then we have completed with 9, so we move on to 4. Now we take the last 4 digits, that is B, C, D, E. So the next part is B, C, D, E. Here again, like we have done for 44, A, B, C, D. Here B, C, D, E, the same rule will follow, and the rule will be, let me show it with some other color. Here again it will be twice of B into E plus twice of C into D. This will give me the next part of my answer. Then we move on to the last 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3, that is C, D and E. So here this 10 I have got when I have taken C, D and E together. Again, like ABC, it will be the same formula with different digits. So what will I do here? Again, I'm going to take the twice of C into E plus the square of D. This will give me 10. Now we will move on to the next last 2 digits, that is 2 and 3, that is D and E. So this 12 is D and E taken together. And the formula used here is just to separate it out. Yeah. So here again, I'll take twice of D into E, which will fetch 12. And finally, the last part, that is 3. So this is nothing but E, and I have taken the square of 3, that is 9 square. So here I have done E square. This is nothing but E square. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now, what do we do with the calculation? How do we get this? I'm going to write it again to make the things clear. We have 81 as our first part of our answer, 72 as the second part of our answer, 34 as the third, 44, 71, 28, 10, 12, 9. Now, how do we find the total? For the total, from every part, we have to take the number in the units place. If there is 2 digits in any part, the other digit will be carried over for addition with the next part to its left. So the answer, this 9 will come down as it is. We move on here, we have 12. So from 12, 2 will come here and 1 will move to the next part. So 10 plus 1 is 11. We get 1 here and 1 will be carried over to the next part. Now 28 plus 1 is 29. So 9 will come here. 2 will move to the next part. 71 plus 2 is 73. So you write here 3. 7 moves on to the next part. 44 plus 7 is 51. So we write here 1. 5 moves on to the next part. 34 plus 5 is 39. 9 we write down and 3 is carried to the next part. Then 72 plus 3 is 75. So we write here 5. 7 is carried to the next part. And then 81 plus 7 is 88. So this is how we calculate the square of a 5-digit number within few seconds. Isn't it amazing? Likewise, friends, you all can calculate the square of 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. the same rule is applied with a little difference, and I will be sharing the technique in the description box below. You can always refer it, and for any doubt you can always comment. I will surely get back to you. Hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel.